So, what's up guys? This is the second session and the third day of our Asia Convention na late lang talaga na-upload since naging busy na agad sa pagtrabaho after that event. Nag-prepare lang tayo ng konting muscle and then gay the party na agad. Grabe ang energy at beautifulness ng mga tao dito. Syempre, kasama tayo doon. This is more on celebration hour. Sobrang daming tao, sobrang positive ng ambience, and syempre, sobrang happy. Samahan mo pa ng happy tummy dahil sa sobrang dami ng pagkain. We celebrate dahil sa wakas, nagkaroon na ng solusyon ang pagkakaroon ng mental problem sa Pinas and all over the world. That's because of the Happy Juice na first time ma-launch sa Asia and first mental health product sa buong mundo. And also, one thing I learned that mental wellness is very big part ng success ng isang tao. It can affect big time ang focus, especially on how you focus on positive and even in the negative things. It can also affect big time kung paano ka maging active sa buhay mo. Kaya if success is your thing, you must take care of yourself, as in your whole being, on what food you eat, how you exercise, and how you practice being healthy in your life. Success is something you develop. It's not something na ina-attract lang. And isa sa mga sikreto din on how you'll become more successful in life is the feeling of being successful. Dapat na-experience mo siya. Yung tipong ginagawa mo yung ginagawa ng mga successful na tao. Parang ganito. Imagine, I'm a dropout student pero nagagawa nating pumasok sa ganitong event. Ma-recognize na iba't ibang tao coming from different parts of the world at ma-experience yung mga bagay na hindi naman basta-basta nagagawa ng iba. At masasabi kong dahil yan sa mental health na meron ako. So if you want to become successful in life, you must take full responsibility on your physical health, financial health, and also in your mental health. Here are some photos and videos of us during these amazing events. So ito, after party na to. Nagpa-party kami dahil sa sobrang ganda ng event. So if you want to be part of our amazing journey in spreading physical success, financial success, and mental wellness, huwag kang mahiyang magtanong. I-click mo yung comment button and comment success and I'll reply you on that. So God bless and peace.